Hi beauty babes, welcome back to Skincare EDU. My name is Kendra Dawn and today we are going to be talking about niacinamide and why you need it in your skincare regimen. We will be breaking down who it's good for, what it does, and the amazing benefits that this potent antioxidant does to your skin. Niacinamide is vitamin B3 and it's derived from niacin. Most skin types and skin conditions really benefit from niacinamide. It's able to penetrate into the skin to do multiple different things for that healthy, glowing skin with very minimal side effects. So who can use niacinamide? So although niacinamide is a very powerful antioxidant, it also has calming and soothing effects to the skin. So even the most sensitized skin types like rosacea can really benefit from niacinamide and really experience little to zero sensitivity. Niacinamide is an amazing ingredient because it treats so many different skin conditions. So if you have hyperpigmentation, sensitivity like rosacea, aging skin, and even breakouts, niacinamide is a fabulous option to help treat those conditions. Niacinamide is an occlusive ingredient, which means it prevents against water loss, it increases our skin's moisture, and it also protects our skin's barrier function. So because it improves our barrier function and reduces that transepidermal water loss, it's great for sensitivity in the skin. And again, it's going to help with anybody that's experiencing redness, dryness, inflammation in the skin. So it is a fabulous option for preventing against and maintaining that moisture and hydration in the skin. Niacinamide is a great ingredient for anti-aging as well. So it increases collagen and it also increases the production of ceramides in our skin. And ceramides are waxy lipids and fatty acids that are going to plump our skin and retain that moisture and hydration in our skin. It also increases dermal collagen and protein production. Niacinamide is also great for helping with hyperpigmentation, so treating dark spots that are already present, and it also helps prevent against melanogenesis, which is actually the chemical process that happens that creates dark spots in the skin. So it will help to lighten and brighten any form of hyperpigmentation, whether that's UV induced, hormonally induced, or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Niacinamide is also great for brightening the skin from a process called glycation, which happens and it causes yellow, dull, sallow looking skin. So this lightens and brightens the skin for that healthy, glowing complexion. Okay, beauty babes, so we have determined that niacinamide is an amazing ingredient, and if you are wondering exactly how to get it into your skincare regimen, I have a super simple way that you can do with any regimen that you are already currently doing. So I love to just incorporate it in a serum, and you'll find it a lot in over-the-counter products, in cleansers, moisturizers, and whatnot, but I want to share with you a clinical medical grade product that is going to deliver the results that you're looking for, and it is from PCA Skin. So this is PCA Skin's vitamin B3 brightening serum, and this serum you can add into any skincare regimen that you currently have. So this vitamin B3 brightening serum has a 6% niacinamide in it. It also has supporting ingredients like green tea extract, mulberry extract, and a peptide that is going to help to lighten and brighten the skin and further help to prevent against melanogenesis. It also has glycerin in it, which is a humectant and an emollient as well. So that is going to help to bind that moisture into the skin and hydrate as well. This is super simple to use. You can incorporate it into any skincare regimen that you're currently using. So you'll go ahead and cleanse your skin. After you cleanse your skin and you have nice dry skin, you'll go ahead and use one pump. This is all you will need. It's a high concentration of active ingredients, so you don't need too much. And then you will want to evenly disperse it onto the skin. So press and pat into the skin, and also go down your neck and into your décolleté for that nice bright overall complexion. It's extremely hydrating, and you will notice a difference as soon as you put it on. It's super silky and smooth, and again, all skin types and skin conditions can benefit from this. So this will be right before your moisturizer. So after you put this on, then you can finish with your moisturizer, and of course, if it's in the morning, your SPF. All right, beauty babes, if you are super excited about using niacinamide in your skincare regimen, click that link below to get it delivered straight to your door. And if you got value from today's video, hit that like and subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video.